What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa for those who are new, and today I'm super excited because we're talking about fall fashion today. And I recently went to Forever 21, picked up some amazing pieces that look like they could be really expensive, but they're not. So I thought I'd share with you guys. And then a couple of the things were gifted, and I'll have everything linked down below. And then today's video is going to be a just like talk through of the items, and then at the end it'll be like a more video styled fashiony try on mashup. I don't really know how to explain that. It's just gonna be a try on music video styled thing. That's it. Okay, anyways, enough awkwardness for now. So let's get into the video. All right, so first, I'm gonna show you guys my fall staple that I do not go without. And obviously, if you guys have been following me for a while and on Instagram, I'll put my Instagram here. You guys know I love me some hats. And to be particular, I like flat brim hats. So I recently just bought this one from Target. So this doesn't have anything to do with the video. I didn't even wear this in the video, but I love this one. This one was from Target. I think it was about $22. It's flat brim. It's a little flimsy, but it's like perfect for like the greasy day hair because, you know. But anyways, the two that I'm showing you guys in this video today are these two. These are my favorites from San Diego Hat Company. I really like their hats because they're affordable and they're really good quality. And honestly, these have lasted me so long. I think this black one has been with me since like 2 summers ago. So that's pretty cray. And this one I recently got probably less than a year ago. It's more of a felt material, flat brim. I really like the circle style on the top, but I just really like the way they fit, and you guys will see them on later in the video, so stay tuned for that. Those are San Diego Hat Company. Like I said, I'll link them down below. So I just really like hats because not only do they cover up your second, third day hair, but they're just really stylish. I just feel like you can throw on a simple sweater like I have on, some denim jeans and some flats or some heels, and you're good to go. You have a styled fall outfit. Throw on a trench coat or a pea coat, and it's just a very styled look. It looks like you put a lot of work into it, but really you're just covering up that greasy hair. And while we are on the accessory kick, one of the latest trends that I have been obsessing over is the fanny pack trend. Yes, the fanny pack trend. So lately I've been really liking doing the trend where you put it over the shoulder. I think it's super cute. You can be hands-free, you can do your shopping, you can do your grocery shopping, anything, it's perfect. But this one in particular has been one of my favorite go-tos. This one is Patricia Nash. If you try to say that like 3 times fast, it's like, you can't really do it. But it's Patricia Nash. My sister actually got me hooked on that brand, and they actually sent me this. So this has just been like one of my favorite items that I literally wear nonstop. You guys have probably seen it all over my Instagram. But this one you wear around your waist, and it's tight enough so I can like wear it like where I would just wear like a belt. You guys will see, you'll see me style it. But I just love this, and I feel like it pairs well with anything. And if you like to mix prints like I do, I put this on with a skirt and a printed top, a printed top, a printed skirt. Put this around your waist, breaks it up. It's heaven. It's just so easy. I think fanny packs are like the greatest trend that has come back this season, so love me this one. We're gonna keep things rolling. So you gotta have shoes for the fall. You gotta have fall boots. And a brand that I have been really liking, I started wearing their shoes more in the summer, like more sandals, and then I found some of their boots, and I realized that I'm obsessed with this brand. It's Matisse. You guys have probably heard of them, but they're just a great brand, great quality, great products, super cute, very stylish, very comfortable. I'm a very particular person when it comes to comfortability. I have to have comfort or else they're a no-go for me. So these ones are super cute. One of my friends actually has a pair of these in a different color, and when I saw this color I was obsessed because I love a great brown boot for the fall time and winter that just basically matches everything. You can kind of style them with absolutely anything. Jeans, skirts, dresses, anything with anything. But anyways, they are that kind of oh my gosh, okay. Talk slow, Lisa. It's okay. Anyways, they're that Western style boot trend that's very popular right now for the fall season. So these are a great staple that I have been wearing lately, and you will also see them again later in the video, like I keep saying about everything. Okay, moving on to clothes. So this is a very quick video These are just a lot of staple items that I think are perfect for your fall wardrobe. So I have 4 pieces, like I said, and each of these pieces are great to wear kind of as a statement piece or to kind of mix and match with stuff that you already have in your closet. So to start out with, I am a lover of high-waisted and flared pants right now. So I found these ones at Forever 21 and I could not pass them up. And they were actually only under, I think they were $25. These are these corduroy pants. They're this really pretty, like burnt orangey brown color. The material is so soft. It's kind of like medium thickness, but it's perfect because they're movable, breathable. They're just so comfortable, so soft. And like I said, they're high-waisted and they have a flared bottom. So very flattering, perfect for fall. You can wear them with these boots like I styled them, or you could basically wear them with heels, flats, any type of style of shoe. They're just so perfect. They're more of a statement piece, so you could wear them with just a basic t-shirt, hat, you're good to go. Or I like to style them with a printed coat, big bulky sweater, just the whole shebang. So I have been really into the high-waisted and flare style this season as well. So these are one of my go-tos. Y'all should try them. Okay, so you guys know, per usual, that I love mixing prints. And one of my favorite styles to mix are dresses. So, I don't even know if that makes sense. I really like dresses and I really like printed dresses to be specific. And this one I recently got in the mail from the company Boheme. I think I'm saying that right. Let's check it out. Yeah, Boheme. Boheme.com, B-O-H-M-E. I'll put their link in the description box. And this dress was actually $54, so really a great price for a statement dress that you can wear all season long. You can wear it throughout winter. I'd probably even wear this into spring, just kind of one of those great transitional dresses. It has a tie at the neck if you want to tie it there. Kind of fun, just very versatile. Again, you could wear it with a fanny pack, any kind of belt, but I just really like this print. And it's great for fall because it has those deeper, rich colors that kind of brings you from summer to fall. And then you could also pair it with like a dark coat for winter. So it's just one of those great pieces. It's more of like a midi style dress. But anyways, it's just a great length of dress. So you could wear it through all of the yucky seasons with some boots. Perfect. I just love printed dresses and they pair perfectly with anything. You could style this with just a simple colored cardigan, jacket, coat, fur coat. The options are endless, but I ended up styling that dress with this cardigan that is also from Boheme. And again, it's just a more simpler style print. So I really liked pairing these two together because their colors kind of favor each other, and I just love me some prints, as you guys know. And this cardigan honestly is like probably one of the softest things in my closet. So all about that. But anyways, it's this nice like creamy beige black and like burnt orangey color. So cute. Just you need cardigans in your life for the fall. You just can't live without them. And this one is long. If you guys want to skip forward or just wait for a couple of minutes, you'll see me wearing it, so you can check out the length on that. But honestly, I just love wearing printed dresses and printed cardigans. Just makes it look so much more like festive and fun for fall, but still warm with the boots. All this stuff today that I'm showing you basically paired with each other. So very intertwinable, if I can get my words out of my mouth. So sorry about that. And the last statement piece, which is my favorite piece of all of these, is this amazing coat. So this one is from Forever 21. I would say for Forever 21, it's a little bit more pricey, but if you're putting it on a scale with like a bunch of other like higher end brands and whatnot, it's a good price. So this coat is, I think it was 65 or 69, I'll double check and I'll link it down below, from Forever 21. It has this built-in scarf that you can also take off. It's like those fur scarfy things. I have so many of these that I just keep because I have a lot of coats that come with these, and they're great because you could pair them with anything else. You can take them off, you can wear them, you can wear the coat with just the regular thing. So anyways, This printed coat just basically is so cozy, so cute, a statement like I said. Throw it on with just even leggings and a sweater and you're good to go if you just want to be more cozy. But I just think having a coat like this in your closet is just so confident, makes you so confident, just so cozy, and you walk down the street in style and you just feel so great, so beautiful, so confident. And I love it. I love the colors too. I love creams and oranges and browns in the fall, as you guys can tell on my Instagram feed. It's been a little more neutral than usual. So this is just my favorite piece that I bought so far this season, and I just am like a hoarder of coats. I love coats. I love having all the options. So you'll probably see a lot more coats in the near future on my channel. But this one's my favorite. I love the colors, and as you'll see next, how I paired it. Guys, to be honest, I lied. There's 5 items. I literally went to edit this right after I filmed this, and I forgot the most important piece of all, the cutest one of all. I don't know how I forgot because I'm crazy. Anyways, there is this sweater that is just so cute, so comfortable, so Free People-esque, but it's from Forever 21 and so much cheaper. I'll link it down below. I don't remember how much it was. I think it was probably in the range of like $30, $40. But anyway, so much cheaper than Free People. I love Free People. Don't get me wrong, their stuff's great, but this just reminds me of it so much and such a cheaper price. It's great quality, very thick but comfortable, not itchy. And if you do want it true to size, I would get your normal size. I bought a medium because I wanted it just slightly oversized. And it is slightly oversized, but I really like it like that. But I just love the fringe detailing. So fall. Navy, burnt orange, tannish, creamish, whitish. So cute. I just love the big bulky sweaters in the colder seasons. And I live in Michigan, if you guys didn't know, so it's like pretty much already winter. Not really. It just like kind of goes from like 50 to 40 to 30. So we're getting all the cozy sweaters. And anyways, that was the last piece, number 5. I'm sorry. All right, so those are the few items that I've been loving so far for fall, and I thought at this time we would just jump right into the styled video to kind of show you guys how I wear them, how they fit, just to kind of get an idea if you guys are interested in buying any of these. Again, all of the links will be down below, so I hope you guys enjoy this quick little video.
Speak with clarity, 'cause there's too much noise around us. It's just me. There's treasure in the sea, yeah, but I'm just too dry to reach it. So speak sincerely, cause I'm still waiting, yeah, for you to come around and save me.
So that is a wrap. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it wasn't a ton of things, but I'm super excited to keep sharing with you guys all the other things that I keep getting for fall and for winter. I'm really excited to start doing more outfit videos because that's what I truly love to do. So I hope you guys enjoy as well. If you have any other recommendations for videos you'd like to see from me, be sure to comment down below. And again, lastly, I'll say it one more time. You can find all of the links down below as well. So anyways, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.